Hello, humans. Wait, is this thing working? Hello, humans. Dembot, is this thing working? Oh, good. Hello, humans. I am Blart, and welcome to my spaceship. And, oh yeah, I will be taking over your planet. For years, I have been waiting for the perfect moment to strike. And that time is now. What? You think they can stop me? Well, maybe if they are smart, then sure. But only if they are smart. Now, go make me an Achaean saltfish. Go, now! Stupid alien. Anyway, where was I? Oh yes, I, Blart, will... Wait a minute. Dembot, what are you doing? What? No! You don't make Aki without the saltfish. What are you thinking? The Aki needs the saltfish. Without the saltfish, it's like eating chicken without fries. Stay right there. I'm coming. Wait. No. You can come back inside of the spaceship when you learn to make Aki and saltfish properly without anything blowing up. Where was I? Oh yes! And if you and your little HomeWok club think you can stop me from taking over your planet and eating everything, you can try, but it won't work. Now, where's my Achaean saltfish? Dembot! Oh, that's right. He's being punished outside. Good help is so hard to find.